Greetings of the day learners. In the subject of sales and distribution management, today we are going to talk about what is sales planning. As they said, unless you have a good luck, nothing in this world can be done without prior planning. Everything requires you to take out your time, think things through, set goals and objective, implement your plan, and then lastly justify your results. So, let's just jump to the meaning of sales planning. So, the question, what is sales planning? Sales planning is an activity or a set of activities designed to begin the salesperson to move towards achieving his or her goals. So, as we all know that all planning by its nature is imperfect, but as delight as in over 34th US President and an ex-Army General once said of planning that in preparing for the battle, I have always found that plans are useless but planning indispensable. So effective planning requires the salesperson to put in a lot of thought, efforts and the hard work. Now, when we talk about the sales planning, the question arises, why is planning is so important in the sales? If you look out at the role of a typical salesperson, it involves lots of different activities. So that will include managing their time or prospecting their customers or booking an appointments, selling to the customers, or making presentation or negotiations, then documentation. So all of these activities need careful preparation. So if we are going to be successful, if you want to go to going to be successful or hit our target, we need all those activity in a proper plan. The problem most salesperson have is at least that those who are selling face to face is that they spend much of a time or much of a time on their own. What happens is they don't have a direct supervision over them. So they don't have a manager nearby looking over their shoulders, right? So what they do is so they are doing what they feel is they are doing is right, but that doesn't work in normal life. So one of the most appealing prospect of going into sales is the freedom you are given, but to succeed you need a lot of self-discipline and the ability to plan and prioritize your time. And that's when the sales planning importance emerges. So, a sales plan is a plan containing an assessment of current sales for a product in a given region or market. It is a statement of sales objective, strategies, and for achieving the stated sales and objective, resources which are available with the company for achieving those goals. So, a sales plan may also assign a particular sales representative or other staff to particular roles or territories and may include a breakdown of who will focus improving sales for which product. Now, according to American Marketing Associations, sales planning are the work of setting up the objectives for selling activities, determining and scheduling the steps necessary to achieve those objectives. So, writing a sales plan is an integral part of developing and implementing your marketing strategy. Now, business creates sales plan to keep them track in the day-to-day work of advertising their products and generating revenues. Thinking through all the facets of the business, including product value, or the market positioning, or the advertising strategy, or what we can say market dynamics or the revenue goals, will help to write an effective sales plan. A sales planning is very important to an organization because it helps the implementation of the plans, and then provides a sense of direction, improves coordination and control, and reduces uncertainty and risk. So as we already discussed that why sales planning is important for a salesperson, there is another important aspect of sales planning also. So sales planning is important because it helps to foresee the potential risk so that you can try and mitigate them beforehand, right? So it is not only help you to formulate a battle plan, it also puts you in control by helping you determine your product's current status in the market and where you want to take that status from there to how you will take your objective or goal oriented goals. So that is a sales planning. Now, sales planning plays a very important role when a product is being offered in a variety of markets. So it helps you to devise strategy according to the culture, then the needs or the requirements of each consumer market. Now, when we talk about the sales planning, there will be four parts of sales plan. Sales planning will consist of the four parts. The first one is the estimating market and sales potential. The second part is to determine the sales territories. The third one we have is to strategize the sales quotas, and the last one we have is to determine the sales budget, which is very important part. So in next lecture we are going to discuss those points. Still then, stay tuned and please subscribe to the channel of GS College of Commerce E-Learning Varda. Thank you.